Welcome to the Lemoore College Library and Learning Resource Center. This video tutorial will show you how to find the textbooks you need for your classes. Many of the textbooks used at Lemoore College are free and available online. These materials are called open educational resources or zero textbook cost. Your professor will provide you with a link in their syllabus or through our learning management system, Canvas. To find out if a textbook you need is available through the library's textbook collection, click on the textbooks icon on the library website at lemoorecollege.edu/resources/library. The first tab contains print books available at the library's information desk. Textbooks that are in the reserves collection are available at the library's information desk and can be used for 2-hour increments in the library. Make sure to bring a photo ID. The second tab contains a list of all the OER and ZTC textbooks used by Lemoore College. Find your course in the top menu and click on it to find out which textbooks are being used for this course. Click on the title of the book for instant access to the textbook online. Don't see your current textbook or course materials on our list? Please fill out the reserve request form online, or talk to a librarian at the information desk to let us know which items you would like to add or remove from our reserves. Questions? Contact us in person at the 400 building on the Lemoore campus. Chat with us online through the Ask Us button on our website. Call us at 559-925-3420. Or email us at ask@westhillscollege.lebansers.com.